Brian here again, and today I'm going to be replacing the fenders on my fifth wheel. Last year we went to a campgrounds, and when we got there, the fender on the other side had blown off and was totally missing. So I've ordered two new fenders from Keystone, who was the manufacturer of this, and I thought I would create a video just to show you how I'm going to replace them in case you have the same troubles. What I want to do is show you part of the problem is how these screw holes end up cracking, as you can see there and there, and here we're already missing because it's already cracked open. But these are just made out of plastic, and they really don't give any support back behind the screw holes. So I'm going to try taking some washers and putting some washers between the body of the RV and the fender to try to stiffen that up so that when we tighten the screws down, that maybe they will not crack the holes area. Alright, in this box is our new fenders that I got from Keystone. I ordered them from a local Keystone dealer. As you can see, they came in white. Our old ones were gray, but Keystone don't make them in gray anymore, so we had to go with the white. I also checked, and the screw hole patterns are different, so I'm going to end up having to make my own new screw holes when I mount it onto each side of the trailer. I do have a bracket that will need to be attached down here, but until I get this on the side of the camper, I'm not going to know exactly where I need to drill a hole in that. So we'll wait till we get this screwed on to the body of the camper. Okay, we're holding this fender up in place. None of the holes are going to line up. Just because the fender's not an exact perfect match. So we're going to take a pencil and draw a line because we raised it up a little bit to fit the skirting better. Just so we're gonna put the center screw in first, and this way we can get the sides up where we want it. Sure, sit back here. I don't know how many it's going to take. I've got 7 little washers right now for each hole, to see if it'll help stiffen it up and back. My issue is going to be getting the washers in the other holes.
Maybe you should start the screws first. Then they might fall off.
That might work. Alright, we're going to try starting the screws first, then we'll back it off and slip the washers on and try to put them back on, maybe by hand. Okay. Let's go up. I'm up at the line here, and I'm at the line here, but the center line's more what I'm interested in. How are we covering there? All right. about right. If it's too many, we'll take some off. There's an extra washer there for something.
For mine.
I don't know if it works. Trick is not dumping the washers off. Let me put it back up there. This one doesn't even look like it made a hole anywhere. Oh, yeah, there. Okay. Yep. See there, the washer started coming off on this one. If I could get it started. Oh. Hang on. Oh. This one, the screws tilted down a little bit, so the washer's trying. Hang on, I'll try to start it. You got the points just...
Yeah.
Okay. Most of the screws are just going through the tin skirting that we have here, and nothing behind it that's solid. And so you can see as the thing goes down the road, the wind gets whipping around. I'm hoping those screws will help it to be a little more sturdy and the holes are less likely to crack from over tightening. So the last part is this bracket underneath. I got to figure out where it goes. Change out the drill bit with that. Because I bent this bracket originally.
I don't know how to do this.
Alright, okay. Drill out from the inside. I'm going to need you though to hold on to the fender. Yeah, right like that's fine. Is it down level flush?
Yeah.
Okay. And now to put the screw in there. If this screw doesn't work, I'll get a screw with a nut and put back there. Okay, it grabbed in there. So, the last thing I gotta do after we put this on here is I need to take this. It's a tube of silicone, and I'm gonna put a bead of silicone all along the edge here to finish this off. That's just to try to keep water from running down and through there. And so that's how I'm putting these fenders on, because no instructions come with them. So I will finish siliconing this side, and then we'll be over and do the other side when we're all done.